What's up everyone? So we are doing 3 different waterfall parks found in upstate New York in one single day, starting with part 1 here at Letchworth State Park. Letchworth is a 14,000-acre state park that is found in Castile, New York, about an hour drive from Buffalo. It's been referred to as the Grand Canyon of the East, as it follows the Genesee River through gorgeous cliffs and stunning waterfalls, and if you're willing to pay extra, even a hot air balloon ride. There's a $10 fee to enter through either the northern or southern entrances. We went through the south side and made our first quick stop at the Genesee Arch Bridge. Before we went off to truly explore the area, we needed to get some delicious breakfast in us at the Glen Inn, which dates back to 1914 and is still a full functioning hotel located right in front of the Middle Falls. Should I knock first? This is so nice. So this is an actual hotel.
Really?
Yeah. Wow, they smell good.
Thank you. Ketchup for you, folks.
One major tip I would give, which goes for almost any popular location: get there early. Places like these are much more enjoyable before the crowds arrive, and we had a major advantage to this because the night before, we stayed in an Airbnb just within a few minutes away. We made it to our first Airbnb that's in the middle of nowhere.
Murder scene.
Oh my gosh.
That's a murder scene.
It's a candlestick.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my stuff down right here. My water
That
is
is a murder scene.
Oh, hi, sir. This is gonna be a great time. I can already
I
tell.
don't like this.
They want you to get a nice, cute Airbnb, and then they're all freaking out. And then, watch your head. Look at that.
Who wants the creepy room? There's another room here.
No way.
I don't want that.
Angel can sleep down here, so he can be the.
Or we can all sleep upstairs.
Yeah, let's all sleep. Oh.
They want to give me the creepy room downstairs. Seriously? No. It's creepy when the lights are off, but when you turn on the lights, it's actually quite nice and magical.
So many rocking chairs. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so nice.
First impressions, we're all impressed. I'm sure during the day, this place is beautiful and gorgeous, so let's wait until the day comes. And I was absolutely right, because during the day, this place comes alive with such a charm. This Airbnb had absolutely everything we needed. It's always a little nicer to stay in a more local place when you go traveling. At least for me it is. You feel like you're actually in a new place and you're getting more of a local experience wherever you stay. This legit feels like grandma's little cottage out in the woods. All the nice little homey touches. They're real flowers?
Wow.
Yeah,
That's
see?
so
That
nice.
is something else.
Quality.
That is
This is what makes an Airbnb dope, when they leave you like something homemade and a nice little note. I'm gonna try the homemade zucchini cake. Okay, this is freaking delicious. Delicious. Oh my god. You have to try this zucchini cake. It's so good. Old houses in the woods may seem a little creepy when you arrive at night, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere. But of course, during the day, it's a whole different story because they have a complete different charm to them, and this place is definitely charming. I love it. Miss Sarah, this place is very beautiful and well kept. Thank you for letting us stay here. We love it. It's so nice. This place was literally minutes down the street from the park, so if you have the same opportunity, try to stay somewhere nearby so you can get to the park early. So this place is humongous. Look at the map. It's humongous. We won't have time to explore it all, but we'll get to the basic needs to experience the park well, which are definitely the waterfalls. So these are the upper falls. That's the bridge we were at earlier. Beautiful, beautiful views. This land used to be called Segahunda, which means the Vale of Three Falls. And honestly, no other falls impressed us more than the Middle Falls. Alright, so we have breakfast, now we're gonna go see the falls. So the Middle Falls are actually the biggest falls that you can probably get closest to. It's not much of a hike at all to see these falls. It's basically just down some steps and you're there. Parkour! Parkour! There is a lot of beautiful hiking trails, but you don't have to take a long trail in order to see the main attraction, which are the waterfalls. Amazing. Afterwards, we drove a little further up to get to Inspiration Point, where you can get a different vantage point and see the Middle Falls from a little further away, as well as experience some of the cliffs that lead to the gorges if you keep following the river. This area is truly serene and peaceful, a place where you can breathe and enjoy some of the natural wonder that upstate New York has to offer and is often overlooked. So Letchworth is definitely a must-see on your visit to upstate New York. Don't miss this place. Just the peace and quiet there is out here. After a few hours, we were back on the road on the way to our next destination. Stay tuned for part 2 as we continue our 3 waterfall parks in one day as we check out the famous Watkins Glen State Park. First impressions about this place, it's mind-blowing, phenomenal. They always put my middle name in all these places, it's crazy. Let's go down there.